This is how you can build a free website using WordPress.com. Plus, you also get a free domain you can use and also a free hosting. So this is how you can do it, guys. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to WordPress.com. WordPress.com, as you can see in the search bar. When you're on WordPress.com, you want to click on Get Started. Alright, then you want to select any of these options. What would you like to do? I'd like to showcase my work stroke portfolio. If you want to build an e-commerce website, you can click on sell physical goods, right? Then, so I'm just going to click on this. So let's assume I want to build a portfolio website for myself. So I'll select this, then I'll click on next. Then I'll choose a theme I would like to work with. I can choose from any of these themes. So let's say I want to go with this, so I'll just select it. And then I want to scroll down and click on continue. Or if I want to change the style, I can change the style from here. Or I'll just click on continue. So I'll sign in using my Google account. You can use your Apple ID or your GitHub account. Anyone is okay. Well, I'll be using my Google account to sign in. Click on continue. Alright, so I will just choose a domain here. So let's give a name to this. So I'll just use my name. So I'll say email portfolio. Email portfolio. So it will give me some domain names I can use for free. So if I want to get a .blog, these ones are paid, but on .com, these ones are paid, but I won't be going for that because I need a free domain. So I'll use this one that says imageportfolio.com. So I'll select it. As you can see, it says free. Then I'll click on continue. And then um, just choose your flavor of WordPress. These are pricing, but I won't choose any of these. I'll just click on start with a free plan. Then I'll click on continue with free. So it's processing. Right, so this is what our site looks like, demo site. So I just click on launch your site. Yeah, so that's it. Congratulations, your site is live. So this is our domain address that we can use to view our website. So I'll just open that in a new tab, copy this URL, then I'll open in a new tab. Let's type it here. So yeah, this is what our website looks like. Our default demo website, what it looks like. So this is our dashboard, our admin dashboard. Right. So from there on, you can go ahead and customize. You can add a new theme if you want. You can change the theme and stuff like that. So thank you guys for watching. This is how you can build your website using a free domain and free hosting from WordPress.com. Please also check the videos shown on your screen for more in-depth knowledge on how you can build websites using WordPress. So if you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like. You can share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.